imagine, brother. Hey. I did it on my own, I ain't king on, I gotta think. I'm never popping pills, the only thing I pop is text. How the hell you say I'm shy, but still want me when God made the world, literally, he put it on my hands. It's about 5 out, you looking like a snack. Still on if it ain't money, then treat that take. 10,000 rand earrings, hella watery, looking like an ocean, but I keep it frank. Hating on Moshe, it ain't nothing but a little trend. I'm new to all of this, at first it got me a little sad. I didn't understand, but had to comprehend it. I am no longer a little bitty boy, but I'm now a brand. Like how many people hating Nike, but it's still dope. I'm hated by hip-hop, but it's still home. Whether it's trap or rap, of course I do them both. I'm hated cause I don't kiss ass nor sugarcoat. Ain't nobody doing like me, I can take on anybody. Musically a beast, still a kid, but many bodies can let a hater confuse the vision. I made a promise, hits I keep them coming, they rest in peace. I get to the bag, ain't no T's and C's. Niggas take me small, I'm confused like C's. No cap, sick as cuss, look die like Chief. You play with me, best believe you getting smoked like Keith.